don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. On the Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Bito.
Hey, what a very interesting and beautiful game of football to watch, mfana. Yazi le game le namhlanje bonisa i-strength se-Sundowns ne-strength se-Orlando Pirates. First 15 minutes mngani wami we almost scored about 5 goals. And I remember i-coacha yethu ku-press conference the last press conference i-coacha ithe we miss 10 chances and score 1 or 2 goals. Do you understand? That is going to catch up with us. Yes. We cannot always see miss ama chance angaka. At least ngabe score 2. Ngangithola in the first 10 minutes because if Sundowns was on the back foot, for honest. And bebangakwazi ukucombine the player. Into abancedile first goal. Ile foul uTito. I-team yethu ya drop concentration. Bathatha ibhola balisa bakora nge-transition. You understand? Masithi siyabuya vele baphinda vele bashaya. So we masithi sisabuya mfethu in the second half. It was not going to be easy vele. Because if uyabheka i-coacha yabo mayikhipha amasapo bengafaki i-offensive befaka i-defensive making manje ukuthi thina masifuna ukubreaka i-line masifuna ukubreaka i-line or sifuna ukuscora amabhola sikwazi ukuskora besihluleka sithize mina into engichaze nge-Pirates ngibone ukuthuka okukhulu time wasting from i-Sundowns and the fear they had bayakhuluma lento abayikhuluma it's fine ureferee uJerry Chavali ngicela abe yi-fourth official ayekela ukuba ureferee ngoba amagame uyawamosha and angithandi ukukhuluma kanje but uyawamosha amagame. You understand? Kunamafawula abhaya ayenzeke kule ntuzana ku-Pirates. First goal ye-Sundowns bekumele ajaje ngithola noma ke ngasiganga i-penalty beku-right mara ayenze attende to injury kaTito stop i-play so that kunake i-player elilimele on the ground. And even the Sundowns itself i-technical team yabo the soccer team yakhona, that's what they should have done. They should have stopped the game so that isikwazi ukuthi sona Tito. You understand? But it's fine. Sidliwe, it's okay. Now ngifuna ukubonisa something ku South African football. Most people who are commentating commentator ngenhliziyo ngama insulting akusakhulunywa sithiwo akusakhulunywa ngedisi and asakwazi ukufundisana. Ngithola namhlanje masingabuza ukuthi mawungabheka today i-technical ability kaWadu yazi bekathi wenzani ngosibilibili bekafuna uku-overloader ngale ku-left so that amabhola maswayisa phambili sikwazi lento eyenzekile vele but unfortunately didn't work out because sibilibili ngimbonile ngathi akana game time. That's why umbona cramp second half bamkhipha but it's okay, we take the loss at least nokushaya lokhu kwabo we've learned something. Mina kule game le into engiyifundile ukuthi we cannot let our chances go, but at the same breath Sundowns is a good team. Bamnandi labantu labayana nale uyabona lesa squad song I think is 1.5 billion mobile song thina si mhlambe 30 million but it's okay senyasho nje ukuthi for next time nathi ama player wethu a concentrate adlale akore ama goal because what they did today mfethu I'm proud of my players. I'm proud of all the 11 beqalile because they put these guys under the pressure. There was a time la bekuthulekile ground ngidlala thina kuphela which made me proud ukuthi manje iPirates kunelento abayenza and at the same breath bona the same people abakhuluma abana trophy as yet ayapheli sisi Do you understand? So we're still going. We're still going. Tina Stama Cup by 2.5. I'm going to see cup 2.5. So Tina Siabong, I'm a player wami. Chin up. Next game Saturday, see Orlando so Policy Arena. Next week Saturday, Inda.
Thank you, Champion. Thank you.